Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and we are back shopping at Aldi's. We are in our favorite location here in Murrieta, California. And let's get started with the Work Zone, that 3-shelf tall utility cabinet. This looks really nice. And we can always use one of these. Yeah, perfect for garages, laundry rooms, basements, storage closets. I like these in the garage, and that's just for us. $80 for this item. We're going to keep our eye on these because the prices always change at Aldi's. That wooden plant ladder stand that we saw last week, $39.99. This is actually really nice. It got some more in. Last week there was only a couple left, so I'm glad to see that, but it's really nice. And they do give you the weight, so for like, especially plants could get heavy. So you want to be mindful of that. And then you have the 5-tier black shelf. These are always nice and easy to put together. So each shelf can support up to 260 pounds. Okay, that is some good weight right there. And that one is $65. And then we see the trash can. This is dual. So there's 2 in here, extra large. $19.99. That's actually a good can for recycling. Now, these are really nice. This is back seat organizers. My daughter has one very similar to this one. I paid like $30 for it. I bought it a while back. And here, look at that price, $10. And you have 2 different styles to choose from. I'm going to grab another one of these. That makes actually a really great gift. $10 for those. The folding truck organizer, $10. That is a good price. And then the steering wheel cover. This is only $8. And there's several different options. Sometimes these are not the easiest to put on. One of our older cars that we've had, we sold it a few years back. We had a 2004 Element, Honda Element. Love that car. But the steering wheel got a little goofy, so we had to put a cover on it. And then for $9, that laundry storage solution. Now we showed a couple last week, but this one, they've added a couple the turntable. Now that is actually really nice, and honestly, you can use that for anything. Not just a laundry room, if you want to put it in your kitchen, your pantry, your fridge, bathroom. So many options. These can get pricey. So $8.99, you're getting 2 of those. That is actually a really good deal. They had some other options last week. They've already sold out of those. But I love these little organized containers. And clear, and you can see right through them. And that price is pretty good. Dawn. Now, this is one of my favorites. So many uses for these. So many. And that power wash, I'm actually going to use that to clean my tire rims. But $4.94 for one. Now you can get a bottle with 2 refills at Costco or Sam's Club, each for about $7.99. And the beaded garland for $6.99. You've got several options, so whatever matches your home decor. Or if you want to change like the seasons. And $2.85. These are actually really nice. That palm brush, you can put your favorite detergent in there. But these, yeah, I like the handle on them. I've got to do some serious cleaning on my stove, so I think this is going to work out perfectly. And then you have the no scratch cleansing pad. There's 3 of those in there, and each of these items $2.85. This stuff sells out really fast at Aldi. And then they have the rugs. So this is a boho shag area rug. That's short for bohemian. And so these are a couple different styles. These are really nice. I showed the other ones last week. So the bohemian ones are $50 and the other ones are $30. Okay, so I went back Wednesday to see if there's any changes. And yes, Wednesday is probably the best day to check out Aldi's because a lot of new merch shows up. So I went Tuesday and looked around, a lot of the same. Wednesday, boom, new items. These outdoor cushion, reversible. So whichever is your style. The lemon is actually really pretty. I like this one too. And I like you get to switch them out. And then we have another one right down here. One side is polka dot and the other side is floral. And how much are those each? Yeah, $8. Okay, they're not outdoor. I was thinking they're outdoor for some reason. So those are indoor only. Now this Farmhouse Pitcher for $17. I love the matte look, but look how they are in here. Those, they make me so nervous. Okay, so that one was clear, so I could easily take it out. And these are actually just really nice. A good weight to them, but those are really beautiful. Now the tea kettle, 2.3 quarts. A couple of different styles to choose from. You have the purple or you have the floral. $18.99. So you get to choose from the tea kettles or this little Dutch oven. Now this is 4 quarts. And again, they have purple or the floral. Really light. And I am loving this oversized serving bowl. So wood, this takes me back. I remember my relatives having, and I think it was like a style from the 70s. It was these wood bowls, the salad bowls. So they had like the big serving, the wood utensils. Those are $20, but I still like these. I love them. And this vinegar, okay, yeah, vinegar bottles or oil. Definitely want to label it. They are super light. I was expecting these to be heavy, but they're $4.99 each. But a pretty good price for those. Now the sparkling water and soda maker. Okay, this is $45. This is very interesting. And ALDI does have its own brands. I wonder how well these work. Now the nice thing about these is, again, you have several colors to choose from. So you want to match your kitchen or whichever is your favorite. Now these coaster sets, ooh, these are actually really nice. There's something about this half wood, half stone. So you have circles or squares, and you have 4 different designs to choose from. And $8.99, not a bad price. Now here is another little set. These are mini Dutch ovens. It's like soup for one. $14.99 for those 2. And the mug tree, this is actually really cool. Crofton, this is another ALDI brand. $14.99 for those. I have a mug tree, and honestly, I've had it since forever. Once you find one that you really like, they can last for decades. Now the coffee pod organizer, $15. I used to have one of these, and I stopped using it. I don't have a Keurig anymore, but it was just kind of taking up too much space. Now this is actually really nice. This colander, it is metal. It's a lightweight metal. There's 2 different trims. There's a light blue, and then there's like a light green. And how much are those? Those are $10. So this is called their Farmhouse Kitchen Accessories. You have your utensils, again, in a blue and a green, and those are $10 each. A very light metal. I do want to take a moment and say thank you so much for stopping by and watching the channel today. I truly do appreciate all of you, all my subscribers and viewers. And if you are new here or you have visited before and you haven't hit that subscribe button, if you could be so kind and do so. No notification bell is needed because I am here every day. And thank you again, everybody, so much. And let's continue with all of these great treasures we're finding at ALDI. This farmhouse butter dish. This is actually a really good size. Again, it's that lightweight metal, and it says butter on there. two tones. You have a light green or light blue, $10 for that. Now this is really interesting. The pet chamois towel for $10. I have a couple of items actually to use to dry my floor, just the same material. Do you put this over the pet? Very interesting. And the gnomes always has a way to sneak in. They are trying to take over the spring. So we are going to continue these signs. So these are reversible signs. So they're packed in there really good. If I get one out, it's going to be messy. But I'm going to show at least the front one. So I like the rope. This is actually really nice. So the reversible signs, there's probably a couple different designs. I'm going to show this one in the front. Live life in full bloom, and then hello spring. Those are $12.99. Now for $4.99, I thought this was really cool. The rug grips. There are 3 different items here. And for $4.99, they're $4.99 each. So if you're looking for the rug pad, this is going to keep that rug from moving around, shifting on the floor. But the rug tape, now this is probably one of my favorites. It has a little bit of the grip, but you put it exactly where you want it. So I like this because I could use that in different spots. And then the rug tabs, that is cool. I've never used these before. I've used the rug tape in the past. But I like those for $4.99 each. That's not a bad price. The cotton tablecloth. Now these are nice. All the different designs. I do like the lemons. Now I have a round table. So you can see the different size. 60 by 102. Here's the round one. Oh, that is a floral print. And there's more in the back. So it looks like you have 3 different sizes. And $12.99, not bad for cotton. Sometimes I wonder if you have to iron those. Now these are going to be a popular item. You can already see they're selling $5. Yeah, pet grooming items for $5. These will not last very long. I would be surprised if they're still here by the weekend. Yeah, you have the nail clippers. You have 2 different de-shedding tools. One's like more of a rake and the other one is a comb. And if you have used any of these items, especially from this Heart to Tail brand here at Aldi, please let us know in the comments below how well they have worked. Yeah, check that comb out. Because I know some of the pet items do sell out pretty fast here. This laser toy is a robot toy. Now this would not work out for my kitties. This $10. We had an electric mouse one time and it just scared them, so it didn't work out for us, but I know every cat is different. And then for the rainy weather, $14.99. This ladies packable rain jacket. You have about 4 colors to choose from. So that's kind of cool to keep in the car, especially here in California. We have so much rain right now. We're not even, we're still like, what? And then for the children, here is the kids rain jackets. You have about 4 different colors to choose from. So we'll take it. We will definitely take the rain. And a couple items that are going on clearance. But one that really kind of popped out was this. This is an indoor-outdoor rug. Now it's more of a runner. So 26 by 72 inches, $7.49 for those. And this is kind of cool. The Heart to Tail, the Cat Scratching Playhouse. Cherry blossoms, how cute. It includes the catnip. And these are actually a pretty decent price. You do have to put it together. $8.99 for those. And the outdoor, well, these are be indoor or outdoor. The little, I call these the porch signs. But you have oh hello, you have hello spring. And they are reversible. So on the other side it says welcome. It has a little beehive. And then this one says hello on the side and it's spring. And oh hello. And it has the little truck. So they definitely say keep them covered. You don't want these to be rained on. And those are only $14.99. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I will talk to you later.